Welcome to the Civil Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed down 103 points, making it the fifth red day in a row for the Dow. Lingering concerns over a trade war with China continue to weigh on the markets. The White House threatened more tariffs on $200 billion in Chinese goods. And an email from Elon Musk to Tesla employees regarding sabotage made the news. The stock was up 3.5% on Monday. On Tuesday, the market had another down day, closing 287 points lower. Trade war issues continue to pull the market down. Other news that moved the markets: Starbucks gave lower guidance for Q3 and announced it will close 150 stores in fiscal 2019. General Electric, GE, one of the oldest Dow components, will no longer be a Dow 30 company. GE is being replaced by Walgreens, and legendary macro trader Tudor Jones discussed his thoughts on the next recession. A link to that video is in the descriptions below. On Wednesday, the Dow closed down 42 points, bringing the streak to 7 straight red days for the Dow. The S&P and Nasdaq were both up for the day. Lifting the Nasdaq was Facebook and Netflix, which reached record highs. Disney upped its offer for 21st Century Fox. Disney will likely overpay for this, but they sort of have to with the upcoming streaming service. They need the content. In earnings news, Micron Technology beat EPS estimates by 3 cents and revenue estimates by $50 million. Fedex beat EPS estimates by 23 cents and revenue estimates by $60 million. And Oracle beat EPS estimates by 5 cents and revenue estimates by $60 million. On Thursday, the Dow closed down 196 points. News that moved the markets on Thursday: Intel CEO resigned after the company uncovered a past relationship with an employee. The Supreme Court ruled that states can force online retailers to collect sales tax. And in earnings news, Kroger beat EPS estimates by 10 cents and revenue estimates by $230 million. The stock jumped almost 10%. Darden Restaurants stock also had a big day. The company beat EPS estimates by 4 cents, and revenue of $2.13 billion was in line with analyst estimates. And RedHat beat EPS estimates by 3 cents and revenue estimates by $6 million. On Friday, the Dow closed up 119 points, finally a green day. Some news that moved the markets: OPEC announced that they will be increasing oil production. Some news sources are saying the increase will be around 600,000 barrels per day. PayPal purchased Simility, a fraud prevention tech company. Watch out for PayPal, we really like it here at these prices. CarMax reported earnings, beating EPS estimates by 9 cents and revenue estimates by $180 million. The stock rose 12% during the trading session. Overall, the markets were down for the week. The S&P closed the week at 2754, the Dow closed the week at 24,580, and the Nasdaq closed the week at 7,692. Crude oil WTI futures closed up for the week at $68.69 per barrel. In crypto news, Bitcoin continues to slide. It's now trading in the low $6,000 range. Litecoin is trading in the $82 range. Ethereum was trading at $463.26 at the time of this recording, and Ripple was trading at 48 cents at the time of this recording. A big winner for the week: Apollo Medical Holdings, which increased 16% from last week's close. A big loser for the week: RedHat, which saw a 19% drop in its price this week. The latest issue of the Civil Report is available at civilreport.com. It's our quarterly digital newsletter. If you're looking to get started investing or just need a few investment ideas for your portfolio, we suggest you check it out. Thank you again for checking out the Civil Reports Weekly Wrap-Up. This channel and website are dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but isn't sure how or where to start. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Have a great weekend, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.